y'all, so today is going to be a different little video. I want to go over some of my favorite products from e.l.f. I know when you go to the drugstore, sometimes it can be hard to figure out what's really going to work, so I thought it would be cool to tell you what I like from e.l.f. They're super affordable and they have like a wide range of products. So I'm going to show you some of my favorites from e.l.f. and hopefully it'll help you when you go to the drugstore. I'm going to try to do this in order of the way that you would put your makeup on. So first thing being first, let's talk about primers from e.l.f. My favorites from e.l.f. is the Dew Primer, and I have recently tried the Power Grip Primer. It reminds me of the Milk Grip Primer, so very similar. I will say these are very similar. The thing about this one is it seems a little bit thicker than this one. I feel like this one is a little bit smoother or more lightweight, I guess is the word. They're both lightweight, but when I put this on, I could definitely feel that I was putting it on and it had that stick power, which is literally the point of it. So I have to keep trying this one to figure out exactly which one I like better. But I would say these are similar and very good dupes for the Milk Grip Primer. Here's eyebrows. I haven't used a ton of e.l.f. products for eyebrows, but one product that I have used is this right here, the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. So I like to use this as like a finishing touch after I've already done my eyebrows. I will go put this over my eyebrow pencil just to keep the hairs in place. Love this. Probably my new favorite product from e.l.f. will be the Cameo concealers. I have them in a wide range of colors. I use them for myself whenever I do anyone's makeup. I love these. I love them to conceal under my eyebrows. I love them to put on my face as like her correcting color, lightening. These are the truth. And I will say for a drugstore, they have a pretty good range of colors. There could always be improvement, but this is a good place to start. And I think they're about $7. So can't go wrong with those. And then one of my new products that I've been using for a while now is this eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. and it's the Rose Gold Sunset palette, and it's just basic colors. I love the pigment of it. This is easy to pack, like if you're going out of town and you have all your neutrals, good for us brown girls. So definitely check this palette out. This is probably the only e.l.f. palette that I've tried in a while. I actually have them on today, so you can see the pigment. So then the next product I have from e.l.f. is the Putty blush. So I like this because it's a lightweight. I love this because it's lightweight and it has great pigment. You just take your brush, put your brush inside the blush and then put it on your cheeks. And I have this same color on today, and this color is called Caribbean. So I feel like this is brown girl friendly. It actually shows up and great for our skin tone. Then I went a little bit out of order because I forgot to do the foundation, but I do like their Flawless Satin Foundation. I have it in caramel and cinnamon. I think I could go a little bit darker, especially now that it's summertime, but I love the way these go on. It's effortless, no problems. An honorable mention, and I don't have a new one, but the e.l.f. Pinkish reddish sponge. I love that for putting on my foundation and my concealer. Next product I want to mention is the e.l.f. Caramel Powder Foundation. So I love this product for finishing my makeup. So if I'm putting a loose powder on my eyes, sometimes I will follow it up with a foundation powder. So I love that for this, and this color is medium 310C. And then I also have another color that's like more like my skin tone, and I will do that as like an all over finish. So you can definitely use these for those two things. Last but not least is this liquid matte lipstick. It's the flavor Berry Sherbet. I haven't used a ton of e.l.f. lip products, but this one is definitely brown girl friendly. It has great pigment. You don't have to put a lot on to get color payoff. As you can see, that's just one swipe. Yeah, favorite e.l.f. products, and let me know if you guys want me to show you how I use the products. I have a lot of the products on today. I have on the primer and the foundation and the eyeshadow. So let me know if there's another brand that you want to see more information about. And if you want to see me using these products, definitely comment below. And that is it for today. So thank you for watching, and remember, good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is your better and your better is the best. And I will see you guys next time.